Hey everyone, I hope that you are having a fantastic day. I wanted to hop on here to make you a quick tutorial on how to order your premium starter kit. So the first thing you want to do is grab a sign up link from the person you want to join with. You can also just grab their member number, whichever works. You'll be able to get to the right page no matter what. So if you don't have a link, you just have that member number, or maybe you're not sure who to sign up with, you can just go to youngliving.com, and at the top of the bar, you can select Become a Member. Now, whether you have a link or just a member number, you're going to go to this page that says Become a Member, and it's going to tell you a bit about the benefits of becoming a member. For instance, that 24% off of retail pricing, getting those free rewards and free products, the promotions. You can earn commission if you decide to do this as a business, and there's a lot of charitable opportunities that you can participate in. Next up, you're going to select your kit. So there are a lot of options, but I got started with the oils kit. It comes with a diffuser, and you have 3 options there: 12 oils, Ningxia, some thieves items, just everything to get you started. But this month of February 2020, when we're recording this, there's a new welcome home kit that is just oils, no diffuser. We also have a thieves kit, a Ningxia kit, and we just released that CBD kit. Super exciting. So a lot of options for whatever you want to focus on with your journey. So the next question you're going to see is about Essential Rewards enrollment. So you can join and leave Essential Rewards anytime, but this is a really great option because it's going to help you getting used to using your oils regularly, trying new products, and things like that. So Essential Rewards is essentially a monthly wellness box that you will earn credit back, so a percentage back every time you get a box, and you can cash those in for freebies. There's also exclusive giveaways for Essential Rewards members, but I like to stock back up on products using this, try out new products, things like that. I really recommend joining on Essential Rewards, and you can join with your starter kit, and so you will get that 100 PV or $100 tiered gift today. So the next thing you'll want to do if you are joining Essential Rewards is set up your rewards box for the next month. And that is just so you have an idea of what you might already want to get. Don't worry, you can totally change this later, so don't let it overwhelm you. We'll be happy to work with you if you're joining our team to help you set up your Essential Rewards order for the things that you need. So now you need to complete your membership information. This is going to have your name, address, phone number, email address, password, PIN, all of that great information there. You'll also be asked about commission processing information. Just go ahead and join with that individual, no social security number required. If you get to the point where you need to give your social security number, like if you begin selling the product or sharing the product, then you will be alerted to give your social security number, but you don't need to do that right now. This next option is the sponsor or enroller information. So this is where you can select and say, I was referred to Young Living by a member, and put in their member number. If you don't have a member number, you can select no one referred me, and Young Living will help put you under someone. Now, if you don't have someone that refers you, you're not sure where to start, we'd love to work with you and get to know you and help you on this journey. So your next screen is choosing your shipping method and your billing information. So you'll just want to complete these. And that's it. You are now a member. How exciting is that? We wish you luck on your wellness journey, and let us know if you have any questions.